Are you guys flipping the kitchen lights on and watching roaches scatter?
Oh, God, cockroaches.
Are you coming down the stairs and watching them carry your furniture out of the house? Hey guys, I'm Craig here, howtopest.com. At the end of this video, we're going to show you the best way to tackle even the toughest roach problem out there. And what are we going to tackle that with? It's going to be baits. You can see a plethora of baits that we have out here, and no, it's not all of them. It's just a huge selection of some of the ones that we use and we like. So today we're talking cockroach baits. Why are cockroach baits the best way to tackle a cockroach problem? Because do you just go out there and spray and pray and just hope that the cockroaches go away?
Praying. Have you tried praying?
Well, sometimes that doesn't happen because you're spraying a contact kill and you're only hitting what you see. Now, I know there's professionals out there and they'll tell you, well, what about a non-repellent? I'm going to get into that in a minute. But most of your roach jobs you can tackle with just the baits alone. What type of baits are out there and how do you use them for each situation? So you got a Vendetta right here. You have a Advion cockroach. These are your gel type baits, your alpines. So they're going to come in a syringe that looks like this, like you go to your doctor's office and get a shot. They're going to come with a little plunger. It's going to go in the back. You're going to take off this cap when you're ready to apply, and they come with these little tips. So you just take the tip and it's one twist on there, and then you're ready to put the application out. When you use gel baits, whatever your gel bait of choice is, you're not putting bait out in lines. It's going to be dots. We like to tell people a size of a pinhead, just a tad bigger in the areas that you think you have activity. And a little goes a long ways with these gel baits. So why are the gel baits better than the sprays? Like I said before, sometimes those contact sprays are only killing what you're seeing. The gel bait, it's a cycle of killing. So they ingest the bait, they're attracted to the bait. So back to the non-repellents, yeah, they're not attracted, they don't know it's there, but you're hoping you sprayed it in an area where those roaches are going to come in contact with it and take it back. With the baits, they're seeking this out. So when you put the bait out, the roach ingests it, they take it back to the nest. Whether the roach dies and other roaches eat them or the roaches eat their fecal matter, it's just a continuous process to wipe those roaches out. That's why baits are going to be more effective for you. Now, this is an IGR. This Vendetta Plus also has an IGR. If you've watched previous videos, we explain what IGRs are. They're insect growth regulators. It basically stops the reproduction cycle. They never make it to adult, so they can never reproduce. So in conjunction to killing them with your bait, you're hitting them with an IGR, and you're just hammering that cockroach situation, and eventually it's gone. So these Gentrols, this is a pack that would be mixed in if you were going to do a spray treatment. You would only spray this IGR unless you were going to mix it with a non-repellent, like an Alpine WSG. If you have any questions as I'm spitting out these chemicals, that's what we're here for. Send us something on the contact page, give us a call. We have technicians that do this all day long, and they're happy to walk you through and help you with whatever situation you may be dealing with. Now, these are bait stations, bait arenas. So basically what they've done, they've taken a cockroach bait and they've placed it inside of a station so it's not exposing the gel. Why are these good? What are the benefits? Keeping kids away, they can't touch it. Pets away. You just pretty much just open these up and place where you want to put them. They have stickies on the back where if you're under a sink and you want to stick it to the wall. We also have a video, I'm going to point to it right up here, and it will be a video on how to apply each one of these products. If you go to that product on our product page, we have a video that walks you through how to do it, whether it be the bait stations, whether it's a gel bait, whether it's the IGRs. This Vendetta, like I mentioned before, it has the IGR built into it already. So you're getting a 2-for-1 on Vendetta Plus. I believe I'm right on this. All Vendetta products have IGRs in them, which makes Vendetta a fantastic product. But don't get me wrong, Advion cockroach bait is also a good product. Now you're probably sitting here going, why so many baits? Why so many different ones? How do I pick the right one? The reason there's so many different baits, they have different bait matrix. You want to rotate your baits. It's just like you. You don't want a burger every day of the week, month after month after month. So what it does, it changes it up, and now it gives them a burrito, whatever you want, a taco, carne asada, I don't know, whatever your choice of food may be.
Taco, nacho, burrito?
No, I'm looking for hot dogger.
But the roaches are like us. They want their food mixed up. So bait rotation every 2 to 3 months, and that's how you'll have better success. That's going to be on your situations where you've got a restaurant, you've got a commercial account. In a home, once you get rid of that problem, you're probably not rotating baits because you're most likely done with the roach situation. What did we miss here? We got another one. This is a gel bait, Max Force. They just have different makeups for rotations. Now, this is an interesting one. This is Advert. So Advert is a dust. When you use Advert, I'm going to pop this open real quick. It comes like this, also has a hose that goes on there. This is made to squeeze into areas that you cannot put a liquid or a bait. A good example for something like this is a wall void, where you want to get it back in there and it floats. So then they get it on them, they groom each other, it kills the rest of them off. Electrical outlets, another good place to put this. So depending on your situation, that's how you're going to come back and determine, hey, what am I going to buy from howtopest.com? What do I need? Do I need a bait? Am I more comfortable with a bait station? Do I need a granule? Because I'm going to put stuff outside. It just depends on what you have going on. So if you guys, like I said, have any questions, shoot us a comment. We're happy to answer, but we can also be reached by phone. And we're happy to help you and walk you through the problem you may be having. We appreciate all the likes on the videos, guys. Just smash that like button for us. I think that's what the cool kids say. And thank you for watching the video. Anything I didn't cover, just give us a shout out and we'd be happy to answer it. Craig, howtopest.com, guys. Take care.